Good morning, guys. So today, 26th of June. Let's see Nifty. Nifty is zero point 0.8. Oh God, why is Nifty dancing in between these days? Okay. So pivot point standard. It's come down, going up. Going to the top gainers and top losers for the day. Nifty 50 stocks, out of which come on, load up. Let me use my Wi-Fi. Okay, Coal India is in the top. Ultratech. I'll remove yesterday's. Coal India. Ultratech. It's gone up, down. So let's see. .87 itself, no? Just reconfirming. MGC. Ho ho. Okay. Okay, so this is the one. I'll go with cover order for now. ₹2.60 stock. For now, I'll keep stop loss of ₹3. ₹2.61 because this cover order you have to type it manually. Okay, so we are done. So these videos are for educational purpose only, guys. So beginners, please do not try this at home. Okay, there are a lot of reasons why I choose a stock, and there are a lot of reasons why I keep a stop loss a little bit far, and there are a lot of observations out in this. And when there is a risk, I exit out. So you need to understand all this. So without training, do not take risk. So please do learn from different sources, and if you want training, you can WhatsApp my team. My traders will help you on trainings on intradays and other stuff. So please do not take risks, just learn and observe. So the more you see, the more idea you get. So that's the reason these live trade videos are. So if you're liking such videos, hit that like button so that I can make more of videos for you guys like this. 267, come on, go up. Okay, it's breaking for now. To 64.75, okay. Let's see where the Nifty is. Okay, Nifty is now coming bit down, dancing again. It went up from here, came down over here. And from here, Nifty has to retrace back from this position. So 10,767 is the current value. So I'll wait and see till where I can wait for this particular stock. Okay, so based on the situation and based on the support which I get from my Nifty also, I have to wait. Currently super trend has hit a buy for me. Let me see how much it can support. 264.75 is the high. Time to break, please. Anyway, so we will wait and I will re-record once the stock when I'm going to exit. So if you see, the stock has moved almost 1% from here. Okay. $266.50 is the highest for now. The graph has a potential to go close to 268 also, but I'm just seeing it's almost 1% for me now. Almost I'm getting 1% of profit. Bought it at 264.12, so almost 2 rupees 50 paisa close to. So any time to may drop from here. So exit 5,926 is the profit. Okay. So bought it at 264.1 to around 10.1, and time is 10.25. Stock price is 266.4. The reason I exited is because if you see RSI for 1 minute chart is already in this range. It can push up, but it's already oversold. Okay, so in case if it comes back, I will lose my profit. So to avoiding those greediness, I just sold it out. But this stock still has the potential overall, okay, to go for up to 268. Also, either you have to wait for this RSI to come little down and then go up, or else see now the stock is moving up. If you see 266.65, so it's breaking those levels. So definitely this stock has the potential to go up. Anyways, I got my profit almost close to 1%. So close to 1% in the sense that is 20% profit for the day. Anyways, the stock is booming up. $266.885, 267, then 260, close to 268. I guess the resistance would be, it may touch or it may go close to it and then may come down for some time. What about the next stock? When this stock has gone up, not bad. RSI is in the peak, so good predictions, gone up to 267.25, 267.50 is the highest. Let's see how long it can go. A great push in the stock today. Is there any news? Good news? No. 52-week high is 316. Will it break 267.50, or is this the end for now? A correction? Almost to 67.50. Again, it will take strength and get back. Okay, see if you see RSI is in the peak. That's the reason it's pushing bit down. Later it should be pushed back again. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. It's late for my gym. I'll go to my gym, so please do hit that subscribe button and like this video, so I'll make more and more of such videos for you guys. And also hit that like button and share this video to all your friends. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.